Once upon a time I wondered if I'd ever find a love like ours. Searched around but never found the feeling that I needed in my heart. When our eyes met, our souls connected, we knew right away. Every moment, every single road led you to me. I love you so, never gonna let you go. I want the world to know an answer to my prayers. Loving you so loud, louder than the loudest thunder, higher than the highest wonder. You're the answer to my prayers. Like a prayer elevates, holy love takes us where we belong. Nothing else matters when we are together, all our cares are gone. Seems like time stops, all our fears drop. It's the way it should be. It's a sure shot, hit the jackpot, come closer to me, yeah. I love you so, never gonna let you go. I want the world to know an answer to my prayers. Loving you so loud, louder than the loudest thunder, higher than the highest wonder. You're the answer to my prayers. You're the answer to my prayers. More than a wish upon a star, you're the answer to my prayers. Was a dream, now reality. True love is here with me. You're the answer to me. I love you so, never gonna let you go. I want the world to know the answer to my prayers. Loving you so loud, louder than the loudest thunder, higher than the highest wonder. The answer to my prayers. The answer to my prayers. The answer to my prayers. Cause you're with me, will always be answer to my prayers. I love you so, never gonna let you go. I want the world to know an answer to my prayers. Loving you so loud, louder than the loudest thunder, higher than the highest wonder. You're the answer to my prayers. Answer to my prayers. Answer to my prayers.
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
Is your girl Shali, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
Rebellion, you know. I mean, I say one year epic, you know. Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.